In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export deals from HubSpot. This is a handy skill to have, whether you're managing your sales process, analyzing data, or simply need to back up your records. Exporting deals from HubSpot is relatively straightforward, but it helps to know a few tips to make the process seamless. To start, the first thing you want to do is open HubSpot and navigate to the CRM section. If this is your first time doing so, CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, which is essentially the heart of your sales operations within HubSpot. Once you're in CRM, everything you need is right at your fingertips. Next, you'll want to click on the Deals tab. This is where you find all the deals that your company is managing through HubSpot. This page not only tracks your deals, but also provides valuable metrics and statuses to keep everyone on the same page about ongoing opportunities. Whether you're closing a small deal or a large one, this section will help ensure that every opportunity is followed correctly. After clicking on Deals, your next move is to locate the Export option, usually situated towards the top of your screen. Clicking on this button will initiate the process of exporting your deals into a usable file format outside of HubSpot. This feature is highly beneficial for integrating with other software or maintaining a personal archive. You can choose the file format that best suits your needs. Typically, a CSV or Excel file will work well with most spreadsheet applications. Once you've chosen your file format and started the export, HubSpot will generate the file and send it to you via email or allow you to download it directly from the platform. This process is usually quick, but the time it takes can vary based on the number of deals you're exporting and their complexity. Always double check the email address associated with your HubSpot account to ensure you receive the file promptly if that's your chosen method. One more thing to keep in mind is the regularity of your exports. If you frequently need this data for meetings or reports, consider setting a regular schedule for exporting deals, weekly or monthly, to keep your information up to date. Doing so will allow you to track changes over time and spot trends in your sales cycle that could be crucial for strategic decision making. In conclusion, exporting deals from HubSpot is quite simple once you know where to look. By accessing CRM, navigating to the Deals tab, and using the export feature, you can quickly get a handle on your sales data. Hopefully, these steps help you feel more confident in managing your sales information efficiently. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy exporting!